Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 CLA220 AMG Sport. This car comes with the 2.1 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 177 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 67 miles to the gallon. The mileage is just over 36,000 miles and the car comes with full service history from Mercedes. This particular colour is the Polar Silver, and as you can see, looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you've got the nice clean interior there, with the half leather and suede seats, which are really supportive, and with the red stitching. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, and also the first owner chose front heated seats as a factory option, so that's nice for the winter. And you also have the cruise control behind the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got electric mirror and window controls. As you open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I see the car's still got the original AMG carpet floor mats as well, so that's nice to see. And as we open the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there, which goes back quite a way, and with the split folding rear seats, I don't know if you can just about see that. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your inflated kit as well as some extra storage as well, so nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can then extend up to 3 years, and with finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.